Hello creators, welcome to Grow on YouTube with Joy. Have you heard the latest YouTube update that allows you to test your titles and thumbnails, thereby giving you an opportunity to double and triple your views? That feature is known as A/B testing. In the short that I posted recently, I explained how it is done and what you will get by doing it. In today's video, I'm now going to show you practically how you can do it with an existing video. Okay, you can do it with a new video. You can also do it with an existing video. Now, to be able to do it with you need a laptop or a desktop for this. However, if you are using a phone like me, you can still do it using the Google Chrome. So all you just have to do is just to log on to your channel dashboard through your Google account. I'm going to be showing you right now how you can do it and how you can add the titles and the thumbnails so that you can start getting more views to the same video. Is that not amazing? Without further ado, let's go right into that. So for this, you go to YouTube dashboard, you sign in, and then you continue to studio. So this is my channel dashboard. So I'll go to where my content is. So I'm going to click on this icon. So these are all my videos. I want to do this feature on this particular video, this one. So you see video details, you can see where we have A/B testing. So I want to do it on this video. So on this video, so all you have to do, just click this A/B testing. Now it gives you an option. It says test and compare your thumbnails and titles. Title only, thumbnail only, or title and thumbnail. So it's up to you to decide the one that you want to do. So assuming I want to do title and thumbnail, all I have to do is just to click on it, and then you see that presently I have a title. I have one title. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to add two more titles. Right now I also have one thumbnail. I'm going to be adding other thumbnails. So to just add thumbnail, this plus sign, just click it, and then it will go to your photo gallery. Okay, so let me choose this. It will download. Fix these settings fast. So let me click the next. Do this to increase your views. Okay, so we are trying to see the ones that. So the next thing, I want to add the title. So I already have some titles saved. So let me just go to where I wrote it down. How I increase my views and subscribers. Do this too. How I increase my views and subscribers. Do this too. Okay, so let's go to the next. There's another one. Struggling to grow. Here is how to get more views and subs. Struggling to grow. Here is how to get more views and subs. So this is just a demo that I'm doing for you. So once you have put that in place, we are going to save it. If you don't save it, it will not work. So you see this set test, so you click on it. Okay, It says this test is ready and will be sent to viewer. So after you have done that, you need to now save it. So you come up here, let me zoom it for you to see. You see this save button, you click on save, and then it is saved. Changes saved. So by the time you click on that particular video, you see it says A/B testing running. So that is how A/B testing is done. Now that you know how to do it, why not share to others so that they too can learn, and also follow me on my channel so that you can keep getting more YouTube growth tips like this. Don't forget to subscribe as well so that you will see all my new videos each time I post them. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again in my next video. Bye.